Hashgraph holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph price update, and in this video, I will share the latest update of Hbar token, guys. So keep watch this video complete. But before starting this video, if you are new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so I really request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more update and news videos, guys. Let's start the video and let's go ahead. The right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is about 0.386785 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market. And guys, that's really congratulations. That's really good news for all of you. That from yesterday, you can see from last 24 hours, last 1 day changes of Hedera Hashgraph is positive. Positive 19.47% changes over in Hedera Hashgraph, guys. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, my heart is feeling very happy due to positive changes, guys, about Hedera Hashgraph, guys. You can see, guys, from price chart it's clear that, guys, completely Hedera Hashgraph are going straight to the moon, guys. And I hope, guys, that for a long time Hedera Hashgraph will continue this pump, guys. My prediction is 100% positive, and I'm sure about that to the last of September continuously price pump. Let's continuously pump, guys. Just hold. It's time to hold, guys. It's time to hold. And if you want to buy, also good idea for buy, because Hedera Hashgraph is profitable coin. If you talk about the price, so the price of Hedera Hashgraph is very low, and other side the changes is positive 19.47%. So due to low price and due to positive changes, I recommend to buy now Hedera Hashgraph. Anyways, guys, hope you like this update video. How do you feel today about Hedera Hashgraph, good or bad? Tell me in the comment box, and personally I'm feeling very good, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.